How to unprivate your YouTube videos on phone from private to public. So if you want to unprivate your YouTube videos on your phone, I would recommend you use the YouTube Studio app. So download the YouTube Studio app from a Play Store or your App Store and log into your channel. Now from there, just go to content. Now we will first of all find the private videos. If you have a certain video that is private, you can sort them by visibility. So from visibility, you can tap on it and you can select private and tap on the apply button. These are some of the videos that are currently private. I have published them, but they are still private. They are not in the draft. They are published, but they are just private. So if I want to unprivate it, just tap on that particular video. Here you can see all these options. So just tap on the edit icon there. And from the edit icon, once you come, you can see visibility is set to private. So you can tap on it and you can set this to public. Once you set that to public, you can tap on the save option to public them. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically unprivate your YouTube videos. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.